Good evening and welcome to your favorite guide to the high life right here in Dubai. We are back to pamper you with all the fashion and glamour happenings around you. So grab your favorite spot and sit back because you wouldn't like to blink and miss any bit of the next half hour. Tonight's show is all about fashion and styling, and there's no better way to start than chat with the uber stylish fashion photographer, Tina Patni. Lights, camera and full-on drama, the most awaited fashion event, the Dubai Fashion Week, was finally here, and we were working round the clock to capture the high points for you. और उसके बाद a display of art at Art Dubai 2010, a 4-day art extravaganza that is touted to be the region's largest cultural event. And we wrap up tonight's highly energetic 30 minutes with yet another top-of-the-line luxury event, the launch of Bulgari Gem Essence. So I hope you all are ready for some glamour and fashion, high life Dubai style. Fanatical about Fendi, Gaga over Gucci, or in love with Louis Vuitton, then you've tuned in to the right show. As promised, tonight's show is all about the drama and the style that goes into making Dubai the fashion hub that it is. And we start the show by introducing you to a very talented fashion photographer, Tina Patni. It has been quoted that an activity becomes an art when the doer cares enough about doing it right and doing it better. Tina Patni is one such artist who is known for her immaculate sense of photography.
I've been in Dubai for almost 30 years now, been brought up here. And I have been brought up in the environment since my father, Mr. Murli Patni, has been the very first photographers in Dubai. So, being in that environment, I always thought this is what I wanted to do and followed his footsteps ever since. It was quite smooth, to be honest, because when I started off, there was a good market for portfolios, for models, wannabe models rather. So I had a niche, I still do, in that field. So it was quite smooth. I started off with my friends, shooting my friends. You can see lot of stress to start with, but a lot of teamwork, a lot of energy, a lot of models, obviously, styling, makeup, everything has to be perfect. It's teamwork, basically, yeah. Making people look good, making clothes look good. It's all about a good photograph in the end.
And now we follow Tina in a behind-the-scenes shoot put together by Fern One. And this you get to see only on High Life Dubai.
The feel of the collection is very Victorian, and I talked with Tina regarding about how to make the concept for the shoot. And we come up with a very good, very strong idea. It's like a Victorian lady in the attic.
It's almost Victorian, but Victorian going crazy, haywire a little, and it's almost warehouse, very antique-y.
How was that for a first-hand look at the mayhem that goes on backstage? The ambience just oozes creative energy, excitement, madness, makeup kits, super glam outfits, and drop-dead gorgeous models.
Today's look is very pale, very white, and we're starting, as you see, with really light lips and very light eyes.
This look specifically is a crimped look, so all the hair has been crimped down all the way. and it's going to be quite big.
My role is to help the photographer get inspired for compositions and basically lining up the next shot. So while they're focusing on one shot, I'll make sure everything looks great and everything is in place. But then we're always thinking 3 shots ahead. So it's getting the props lined up, it's getting the models kind of styled in the right way, getting everything done so that Tina can focus on what she has to do.
To be honest, Fern, he leaves it entirely up to us. He gives us the freedom. So we had the freedom to do what we wanted. And since we've been shooting with him for the past couple of years, we exactly know what he wants and give him.
So after seeing how much goes behind making a successful campaign, follow me for more fashion. Dubai Fashion Week, the most glamorous fashion trade event in the Middle East, is aimed at unifying the major proponents of fashion industry by providing them one single platform. The week-long schedule enables local and regional designers as well as fashion houses to present their collection to global and regional buyers, media, fashion professionals, and of course, all the fashion followers of Dubai.
L'Oréal Paris are the team for this year, this season, for the makeup looks, and Juice Salon, the fantastic team of girls over there. So we've got 14 in each section, and we're doing really well. It's really quiet down here, and we're just getting on with it.
See, what we do is basically we have like 7 shows a day. So we prep the show right from the start so that the same base goes all the way till the end. So we don't have to undo and redo all the time. So that's how we do. We have like a proper schedule fixed on the wall. We have looks fixed on the wall. So all the stylists keep coming and they know what they're doing. And yeah, so it's a little chaotic, but it's fun.
So for all you devotees of design, don't despair, because we've got much more of that for you. Come on and grab your front row seats as High Life Dubai takes you to witness the much-awaited fashion extravaganza, the Dubai Fashion Week. So for those of you who didn't catch the excitement live, you know you can trust your style guide to capture all the high moments just for you. But before we go any further, let's go for a short break. Come back soon for more action on the runway. When we return, we headed to the 80 feet long catwalk as a host of talented designers unveil their collection at Dubai Fashion Week.